Welcome to the shopkeeper training video. I would like today to talk about getting a relationship with the customer. Use childhood memories to find some common ground with the customer. Every child had a little toy to bring joy and comfort into their life. I have my toy with me so I can provoke the conversation. This was my toy. I like it very much. It brought me much pleasure. I like to show the customer how I still love my little toy. They may share with you that they also had a little toy. The dialogue is now open and you can begin to do your sales pitch. The customer may at this point start maneuvering towards the door. Your positioning is very important. Stand always between the customer and the door. This is very good posture for shopkeeper. Then you can maybe share some story of how you are human too. You have emotions, and maybe I like to share a story of how my disapproval arose and how I vented this upon the person who disapproved me. Yeah. By this time you will find that the customer is ready to seek your approval. I'm then able to tell them what I would like them to buy and how much I would like them to pay for it. This is one of my secrets of being a successful shopkeeper. If you have enjoyed the video, you may send to me a donation. This will make me happy. You would like me to be happy, wouldn't you? We can always collect if you have trouble getting the money to us. Just make checks payable to the shopkeeper. People will know who you mean. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a very good day. Goodbye.